Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC. So if you want to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC, so what you have to do, first you have to just go into your browser and open the browser, and here you have to search for Steam. Okay, just search for Steam, and here you will see first website, welcome to Steam. So this is most popular website from for gaming, video gaming. So just click on it, and you have to install the Steam in your app, in your PC. So I'm going to install it in my PC. Okay, now here you will see install option, just click on install Steam, and here you will see install Steam option, just click on it, and you will see that it will start. Now here you will see that it is installed in my PC. Now click on show in folder and run this installer. Okay, Steam installer here. Now just double click on it, and it will ask for your permission. Just click on yes and click on next. Again choose the language and click on next and install. Okay, after that now click on finish. Wait for a few seconds, and it will update automatically. And after that what you have to do, just open the app and search for Need for Speed. Okay, now you have to search for Need for Speed Most Wanted. Need for Speed Most Wanted. Okay, click on it, and you can buy from here, and you can also use it from another way. So you can buy this from here. Here you will see select a subscription. You can select here from for subscription 350 per month or 1990 per 12 months. You can choose any one of them, and then you can play in your PC. So like this you can install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.